Coming to you live from Atlanta, Georgia. I see Daisy Dixie, you're out there. Tell us what's going on in Atlanta, Georgia on CNA.
Hi, reporting live from, my name is Daisy Dixie. It is a mess out here. I mean, a mess. Look at this weather. We ain't used to this. It's cold. It's a sledding day for y'all kids, but I'll tell you, this doesn't happen often. Oh, excuse me. Oh, look at these branches. Look at these branches. They are getting so cold. You can see the branches. Oh, Lord. I just want to say be safe out there, y'all, because we ain't used to this in the South.
Lisa Mancini in the cold. Look at what she's wearing. I don't know how she does it.
Coming to you live from New York. Alright, I've got the sled, the Southerner sled. I figured I would match it to my socks here. Got a couple of drills falling down. Nothing too big, you know. Lights on the trees, but everything's good. Everybody can still go out and drive. Because if you don't here in New York, you're going to look like a Southerner. Back to you, Dixie.
Dixie!
Oh, gee.
Dixie, show us how to sled. Yay! Sledding! That's what's up!
Lisa Mancini's gonna show us how to sled up north.
Ooh. Oh, yeah. Hit the camera. Ow!
Reporting live. My name is Daisy Dixie. Daisy Dixie, and I am in a mess out here. I don't know about y'all, but well, it is icy. Icy. I got my sled ready to sled.
Ready?
Hey everybody, it's Lisa Mancini coming in live to you from CNA. Figured I'd take the Southerners, I figured I'd take their sled and match it to my socks. You know, everyone out there in New York, be careful, you know, be careful, because if there's a little bit of ice right here on the ground here, and there goes the sled, guys, watch out, this is dangerous right here, I tell you. But anyways, out here up in New York, this is how we do it. I don't understand you Southerners, but it's all good. Back to you, Dixie. Do it one more time. Ah, it's cold!
Go ahead. Go ahead.
Reporting live. We got...